Okay, hi everyone. Sorry I haven't made any videos for a while. I just wanted to let you show you my next project here. Yeah, this one's kind of sentimental to me. My dad passed away last December, so this was his. It's a 1975 Rupp. There was only like 1,200 of them made in Mansfield, Ohio. And this one is, I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it was 75, and it's 251 out of 1,200. And I am going to try to restore it, or at least get it running this winter. I just got the body raised up because it's just easier to get to everything. I got the gas tank off of it now, getting it cleaned out. It's been sitting a while, so we're just I'm going through everything, clean the gas tank out, and then next is to take all the I'm going to take all the gas lines off, take the carburetor off, clean it, and get it going. So yeah, if you're interested, keep sticking around. I want to post some more videos once I start working on it more. Once I start getting it running and get everything looked at here. Looks like a cool project. Hopefully I won't have too many problems with it. I think the motor's good. My dad just replaced it. I know, and I mean, it's been a while, but it's not the original motor. It's still a Kohler motor, the 440. So got to get everything replaced, checked out, replace what needs replaced, and get it running. So yeah, if you want to keep an eye on this project, just hit the like, subscribe buttons, and I'll keep you updated. And if you know anything about these, just please post and comment in the comment section here. Give me a little help or ideas what to do. Try to get her going this winter. Okay, thanks.